Before contractors get booked up and schedules filled, start tackling the small projects you can handle. Hello everyone and welcome to Coffee with Chuck 131. Hope you're having a great day today. So spring is right around the corner and now it's actually the best time to start getting ahead of your home maintenance instead of waiting until everything feels urgent. Before contractors get booked up and schedules filled, start tackling the small projects you can handle, like changing the air filters, touching up the paint, fixing loose handles, replacing bulbs, or cleaning out the garage. And go ahead, schedule those routine service appointments so you're not scrambling later. Staying proactive protects your home, prevents bigger and more expensive problems, and saves you time and stress down the road. And if you're selling this year, get ahead of these items so it puts you in a strong position so you're prepared, confident, and not rushing to fix these things last minute. That always leads to better results. That's all I got for you today. Have a great rest of your Friday. Have an even greater weekend, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.